In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix anti-cheat is not installed in Fortnite. Step 1, you just have to go to any web browser and then kindly look for this anti-cheat download. Now, if you tap this site and you can't see download option, then you just have to follow and type what I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so step 2, you have to copy this URL or site that I'm going to show you. Step 3, click download, tap this one, and then you will see above that this file is starting to download. Step 4, you just have to go download folder and then locate this easy anti-cheat file. Okay, right click and then click run as administrator. Step 5, what you're going to do is to simply click install. And if you encounter some problems or still encounter some problems, proceed to step 6, go to local C and then tap program files 86. Look for Steam folder. Okay, and then after that, locate Steam apps. Go to common. So let's just say this one is Fortnite and this is the game that you want this or you want to repair or fix easy anti-cheat. So as you can see, you just have to tap this one, run as administrator, and then you have to click repair service or you click install. That's it. So that's how you fix easy anti-cheat is not installed in Fortnite. I do really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.